Hi everyone, my name is Anagh and I'm one of your student content shapers here at the University of Birmingham. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a literature review, and to keep things real, let's use a topic every student knows too well.
The effects of caffeine on last minute assignment success. Now, a literature review isn't about confessing your coffee addiction. It's about summarizing, analyzing, and connecting what other caffeine fueled researchers have already discovered. Start by reading widely and taking notes. Look for studies on caffeine and focus, caffeine and lost sleep, and caffeine and, well, panic. Jot down key pages and quotes. Your 2 a.m. self will thank you for this, trust me. Before writing, plan your structure. Generally, it's an introduction, main body, and conclusion. Maybe one section on caffeine and productivity, another on caffeine and existential dread. Use the Pomodoro method to stay on track. Though let's be real, most of us survive on espresso and panic. And please do not forget to check your referencing style. APA, Harvard, MLA, or MHRA. Each has its quirks, and no amount of caffeine fixes missing italics. And remember, some styles like MHRA use footnotes, and yes, they can actually count toward your main word count. So remember, a great literature review connects ideas, not caffeine levels. So good luck, and may your references be as strong as your coffee.